Barcelona B team has been keeping a close eye on Relebohile Mofokeng, who was named the Young Player of the Season for the 2023 and 2024 campaign. Barcelona B team, it is the club's reserve team, a platform that has given many famous names their starts in professional football. The promising attacker has been making waves in the Orlando Pirates team, which has earned him opportunities with the national team under coach Hugo Bros, although he is still waiting for his first starts with the Bafana Bafana. Following the exclusive story, several high-profile Spanish outlets have picked up on the interest in Relebohile Mofokeng. In the Spanish Football News headlined their article as follows: Barcelona joined transfer hunting for Relebohile Mofokeng, while Mundo Deportivo referred to him as the new South African pill linked to Barca. In the report, Mundo highlighted Barcelona's growing interest in African talent, praising Relebohile Mofokeng for his speed, technical ability and quick decision-making in the final third. Diario Sport also referred to a young winger connection to a La Liga giant, comparing him to a 17-year-old Barcelona sensation Lamine Yamal. It's also worth noting that Relebohile Mofokeng's name has been already drawn attention from abroad. In 2023, he went on trial at Wolverhampton, Wanderers in England, and Spanish side Lavender, as well as Scottish giant Rangers have reportedly been closely monitoring his progress. Famous for their famed La Masia Academy, Barcelona's current team's group consists of several academic graduates, including Gavi, Fermín López, Ansu Fati, Lamine Yamal, and Alejandro Balde.